Hi guys, welcome back to another episode on Dream Finder. Today, I've made something really cool for you, an X-ray film viewer and LED room light made from a broken LED monitor. Yes, you heard that right. With just a few simple steps, you can easily make one too. Take a look, this is the broken LED monitor. Its LCD panel ribbon is damaged, so it no longer displays images properly. Instead of throwing it away, I decided to turn it into something useful. An LED monitor display usually has several layers, from front to back, LCD panel, the main display layer that controls the image pixels. I removed this part. Polarizer films, these help direct the light correctly. I removed the top one as well. Diffuser sheet, spreads the light evenly. Prism sheets, focus the light toward the front. Light guide plate, LGP, carries the light across the screen. Reflector sheet, reflects light from the bottom back upward. And finally, the LED backlight strip, placed along the edge, providing the light. I kept all the internal light layers intact, except the LCD and top polarizer. Once powered on, the white plastic plate beautifully lights up, just like a professional X-ray film viewer. You can also use it as a soft LED light panel for your room, for crafts, or even for photography. Hope you enjoyed this project. Let me know what you think in the comments, and how I can improve it next time. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Dream Finder. And of course, hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching.